So I'm super excited today to open up this router that I just got. It's the Bosch 1617 EVSPK router combo set. It's very highly rated and it's going to be a lot of fun. Welcome back to Homestyle Woodcrafts. My name is James. I wanted to share with you some of the specs before we open it up. So this is a combo kit, which means it comes with a fixed base and a plunge base. It has a peak of 2.25 horsepower and runs from 8,000 to 25,000 RPMs. Online, you can get it for $215. I checked both Amazon and another home improvement store, and they're right at that price. One of the things I'm really excited about is it comes with a wrench that allows above table height adjustment for the bit when you have the fixed base mounted to a router table, which I plan on doing. Both bases come with a microfine adjustment. The plunge base comes with adjustable depth stops, which I think is going to be really handy. It comes with the wrenches for installing the router bits. All right, so let's open it up. Time to open this thing up. Here's the box, back of the box. All right, very nice case. Wow, that is nice. Open it up, see what's inside. Oh yeah. This is awesome. All right, so this is the router motor, and this is the fixed base. It's got the maple handles on it. And we've got the plunge base right here. Here's the adjustable fixed stops, microfine adjustment. And it's the owner's manual. I love owner's manuals. And registration paperwork, chip guard, that's clear plastic, some mounting screws, more bolts. Oh, here are the wrenches for tightening and loosening the collets for the router bits. And here's the wrench for the above table adjustment. So awesome. And we've got, what's this? Oh, this is the looks like the 1/4 inch collet, and it looks like we've got the 1/2 inch one already in there. Here's the adjustable speed dial on-off switch. Let's install the motor. So I'm going to start with the fixed base. So first we'll release the base clamp adjustment lever, or base clamp lever. Take the motor. By the way, this has a super hefty feel to it. So there's an arrow here and an arrow on the base. So you just line those up. And then you depress the course adjustment lever here on the back. And you can adjust it to 3 different positive stops on the back. And then you've got the microfine adjustment. So to get it out, you depress the course adjustment lever, pull it out. And then this is the plunge base. So open up the clamp again, line it up with the arrows, twist it, and lock it down, and you're ready to go. So let's give this a try. I'm going to demonstrate the fixed base and the plunge base now. And just so you know, I'm going to be wearing ear protection, eye protection, and a dust mask. Let's be safe. Okay, here we go. Let's go get messy. And now for the plunge base. Here's what I did on the wood. I used a Roman OG bit to cut this profile. Looks good, looks nice. And then, look, I made this heart for Nancy. Yeah, it's a little lopsided. And I used a V-groove bit and then a straight bit. So, it worked really well. I'm very pleased. The case seems to be very high quality and sturdy. It has storage for the wrenches and the extra collet. So I really like that feature. Overall, first impressions, really good. I hope you've enjoyed this unboxing. If you have, please subscribe, support our channel. Please add any comments that you'd like, and we'll see you next time.